You have, with no doubt, by now heard the Wyclef story. Yes, again. Haitians now have another reason to say, see, this is why I can't trust myself. But call me crazy. Although I am not thrilled about Clef's work in Haiti, I am not quite sure if I am ready to throw him under the bus. Well, at least not just yet. Also, are you sick of these CNN stories about Restavek in Haiti? I mean, when are we going to stop talking about Restavek and take some concrete steps to alleviate the suffering of those children in Haiti? Meet me this Tuesday at the Hope Hour of 7:30 p.m. on telelacaitv.com, and yes, let's talk Haiti.